Yes, any doubt in the question paper? Junaid?
No, sir.
Hmm? Yasim?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in the paper?
Sir, can I tell it tomorrow, sir?
You can tell tomorrow, day after tomorrow, no issue. Today, if anyone of you want to ask any doubt,
Sir, we don't have question paper, sir. Here.
you don't have?
Question paper.
But they have sent me in my WhatsApp.
Oh, okay, sir. I will ask tomorrow, sir.
Uh, Any other person? Ishaq?
Yes, sir. I will let you know tomorrow, sir. I didn't check it.
Okay, right. So let us start other topic. Next is probability. It's equally interesting like PNC. Define some terms. an operation which can result in two or more ways. Sample space. Set of all possible results of the experiment. Set of all possible results of the experiments. For example, tossing a coin. S will be H or tail. If you toss a coin, the outcome can be H or T. N of S is 2. Number of possible results is 2. Tossing a pair of coins. Will be S, HH, HT, TH, TT. How many points will be there? 4. How to count? In first toss, there are 2 possibilities, head or tail, 2. In second toss, 2 possibilities, so 2 into 2. So number of outcomes in sample space
Power.
to the power 2. Suppose we toss 3 coins at a time.
Excuse me, sir. We
Yes.
can't see the downside of the board.
Yes, sir.
Just
Only
wait.
upper.
8 minutes.
So now.
Tossing 3 coins. N of S will be how much? 2 cube. So you can count it. Just I'm writing it roughly. HHH, HHT. Like this, there will be 3. HT, H, TH, H. So HTT. Like that, there will be 3. Can I arrange them? T, H, T, 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 H. T, T, T. So if we toss 3 coins at a time, the number of outcomes in the sample space will be 8. Shall I rub it? Other name of the results, possible results of the experiment is outcome. Shall I rub it?
Yes, sir.
Other example of sample space, tossing a dice or throwing a dice. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Outcome will be any of these.
Yes,
These are
sir.
these are possible outcomes. N of S 6. Okay. Throwing a pair of dice. Yes. 1, 1. 1 point, one possibility. 1, 2. 1, 6. 2, 1. 2, 2. 2, 6. 6, 1. 6, 2. 6, 6. So what will be N of S? 6 into 6?
Yes, sir. 6 square.
36. Similarly, if we throw 3 dice at a time, so how many points will be there in sample space?
6
6
cube.
cube. Okay. If we throw 3 dice at a time, in sample space, number of possible outcomes will be 6 cube. Next, event. Next term is event. A subset of sample space. A subset of sample space. Yes. What are the terms? Experiment, outcomes or results. Outcomes or results are same. Then sample space, then event. Event is a subset of sample space. So denoted by A, B, C, or A, B, C, or E, something like that. You can denote it by anything. E, F. You can denote an event by A, B, C, E, F, anything. Let E be an event find over S 10. P of E is called probability of occurrence P of E stands for probability of occurrence of event E. Okay. Probability of occurrence of event E. Now, since 0 less than equal to equals N of E by N of S. N of E stands for number of outcomes in S, number of results or number of outcomes in S favorable to event E. N of S is
Total number of outcomes per.
total number of outcomes in S. Okay. So P of E is N of E by N of S. This is the definition of probability of occurrence of event E. Now, after knowing this definition of the probability of event E, the 50 to 60% of the topic is over, because all the problems of PNC can be converted in probability. Just I'm giving you an example. Have you written it?
Sir,
Completed?
completed, sir.
I said, if you know the definition of probability, then 50 to 60% of the topic is over, because if you know PNC, all the problems of PNC can be converted in probability. For example, suppose there are 10 people sitting in a row. 2 persons have been selected randomly. 10 people are sitting in a row. 2 persons are selected randomly. Find the probability that they are sitting together. Understood the question? 10 people are sitting in a row. 2 persons are selected randomly. Find the probability that they are sitting adjacent. 10C2. Now, how many ways you can select 2 people?
10C2.
NC2. NC2. Out of 10 people, we want to select 2 people adjacent. We can select 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, like that, 9, 10. In how many ways you can select 2 people sitting adjacent?
5 ways.
How many ways?
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10. This is one way. Second way. Third way. Fourth way. Like that. How many ways?
9.
9. So what will be 9? What will be the probability? N of E is 9. N of S is 10C2. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
To pick up any problem of PNC, we can convert it. Basically, this is the problem of PNC. We can convert it in probability. Hmm. One simple result. Zero less than equal to probability of E is less than equal to 1. The region is 0 is less than equal to n of E. It will always be less than equal to n of S. Dividing throughout by n of S. Less than equal to
0 to 1.
0 to 1. Probability of occurrence of any event will always be in between 0 to 1. If probability of E is 0, E is called impossible event. E is called
Impossible event.
impossible event. And probability of E is 1. E is called
Purely possible.
pure event. We call it
Sure event.
pure event. Now, Jasim,
Yes, sir.
where you are sitting in your room, fan is there or not?
Yes, sir. Fan is there.
There. What is the probability that the fan will fall down within 10 minutes?
Sir, 0.
0. On what basis you can say? Because you are sitting there for the last 100 days, 200 days, 300 days. None of the day it has fallen down. Therefore, today also it will not fall down. Okay, based on the information, past information, we can judge. So that is impossible event. Okay, it's not that probability of every event will be 1 by 2, 1 by 2. If you toss a coin, probability of getting head is 1 by 2. That is called equally likely event. We call it, if you toss a coin, probability of getting head is what? 1 by 2. Isn't it?
Yes, sir. 50,
Probability of getting tail 1 by 2. Because both are equally likely. If you toss a dice, if you throw a dice, what is the probability of getting 2? 1 by 6.
Yes, sir.
Probability of getting 2 is 1 by 2. If I define an event that the outcome is multiple of 3. If we throw a dice, what is the probability that the outcome will be multiple of 3?
1 by 3.
1 by 3. N of A is 2. 3 and 6.
Yes.
N of E is
3 and 6.
3 and 6. 2. N of
Yes.
S 6. 2 by 6. So in that case, it is all are equally likely event. All are equally likely. Okay. Now, one more simple example. Sure event. Sayyidul Rahman,
Yes, sir.
in yesterday's test, what is the probability that your marks will be more than 50%? Can I say 1?
Yes, sir.
Because for the previous test, you got, in previous test, most of the test, you got more than 50%. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So yesterday's test also, you will get more than 50%. That is sure
Sure.
event. That is
Sure event.
sure event. Okay. If we throw a pair of dice, find the probability of getting a sum of 7. Probability of getting a sum of 7. Here, what are the is the event that sum is 7? 1 6 6 1 2 5 5 2 3 4 4 3. What will be N of E? 6. N of E
Yes,
will
sir.
be N of E will be 6. 1 6 6 1. These are two different outcomes.
Yes, sir. 5 2 2 5.
3 4, and N of S is 36. What is the probability of E? 1 by 6. So today we will discuss the problems based on PNC. So I am discussing the problems, question papers. Just I am dictating the question. I think you remember, all of you remember the question. I will not write. 16 players, S1, S2, S16 play in a tournament. I'm reading this question, then I will convert it in probability. Number of ways in which they can be grouped in 8 pairs so that S1, S2 are in different groups. Just I'm converting it in probability. 16 players, S1, S2 up to S16 has been paired in 8 pairs. Find the probability that S1 and S2 are in different groups. S1 and S2 are in different groups. I'm writing it. Find probability that S1 and S2 are in different groups. What is N of S? 16C2, 14C2, 2C2 divided by 8 factorial. We don't want arrangement of the groups. Is it okay or not?
Yes, sir.
N of S, number of ways we can pair them without any restriction.
Yes.
Without any restriction. So this will be 16 factorial by 2 to the power 8 into 8 factorial. We don't want arrangement. Now N of E. Number of ways we can pair them so that S1 and S2 are in same group. So that S1 and S2 are in same group. Just pair them S1 and S2. There is one way. If we pair S1 and S2, there is only one way. Equal to 1 into 14C2. Remaining 14 people can be paired in these many ways by 7 factorial equals 14 factorial by 2 to the power 7 into 7 factorial. So required number of ways is this minus this. Required number of ways is this minus this. So what will be the probability? This minus this by N of S.
Yes, sir.
Required number of ways. 16 factorial by 4 to the power 8 into 8 factorial minus 14 factorial by 2 to the power 7 into 7 factorial. Okay. So probability is this divided by this. This is total number of ways of pairing them without any restriction, without any condition. So required probability will be this divided by this. We can simplify it. 14 factorial outside. Just I will simplify later to get the answer. Is 16 factorial by 5. Factorial by 2 to the power 8 into 8 factorial. See, PNC question, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Let's simplify it to get the answer. We can take out 14 factorial by 2 to the power 7 into 7 factorial. Here 16 into 15 by
2 into 8.
2 into 8 minus 1,
Yes, sir.
14 into, answer is given in which form? 14 6 factorial. Yes, correct. You're getting the answer? Is 14 7 2 2. 14 by 2 to the power 6 into 6 factorial. I'm writing next question. I'm writing the question from question paper only.
Okay.
It's PNC question or not?
Yes, sir.
This is not related to this problem. This is over. You can simplify or wish. A 6-digit number is selected at random. A 6-digit number is selected at random among all 6-digit numbers. Among all 6-digit numbers, find the probability that in the selected number the number no digit is repeated, no digit is repeated comma. Even digits appear at even places. Even digit appears at even places. Or digit appears in odd places. And the number is divisible by 4. Okay, basically, what will be n of s? 9 into 10 to the power 5. What will be n of s?
Yes, sir.
Total n of s. Total number of six-digit numbers without any restriction. N of s is how much? Without any restriction, total number of six-digit numbers.
9 into 10 into 10 into 10.
9 into 10 to the power 5.
Yes, sir.
Is n of s.
Yes, sir.
Now P and C. How many numbers among all these six-digit numbers will be such that satisfying this condition?
Yes, sir.
Satisfying this condition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here one doubt. If we count from this side, this is odd place, odd place, odd place. If we count from this way, even place, even place, even place. So from which side we should count? In the question itself, he says the number is divisible by 5. So here it should be even number. It should be
Even.
even.
The last two digits we should be doing separately, no, sir.
Separate. Yeah, separate. So all that even digit appears at even places. So from which side we should count? One doubt is there, no? They have not specified.
Yes, sir.
So if we assume this is even place, only then the possibility is there the number will be divisible by 4.
Yes, sir.
If you assume it is odd place, if we start counting from this side, there are no six-digit numbers which will be divisible by 4. So we will assume this is even place. Sorry, this is
Odd place.
odd, odd, odd. No. First place, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place. Now here the options are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Corresponding to any number here, if I write here 2 and 4, no, 2, 4, 6. Yes. Here the possibilities are 2, 4. Fix up any number here out of this odd, because it's odd place, it's even place. The reason is clear. Why I am counting from left side? They have not specified.
6 also we can take, no, sir. There. 6 also we can take now.
From
On that side, 2, 4, 6.
2, 4, 6. These are even places.
Wrote only 2, 4 on 6th place.
Here.
Yes.
In unit place. But it should be divisible by 4. If you write 2, 12 is divisible by 4.
56 also
32.
divisible by 4, no, sir. 56.
56. Only 56. 36. 6. And if you write, no, 4 will not be there. 34, 54, 74, no. 2, 6, correct. You are right. 2, 12, 32, 52, 72, 92. All are divisible by 4.
Yes.
16, 36, 56, 76, 96. All are divisible by 4. If you write 8,
Not possible.
no, not divisible. Even if you write 0, not divisible.
Not
0 is even. We'll consider 0 as even.
Yes, sir.
0 is even. So here 5 options, here 2 options.
10 cases.
Now it's over. So even places are 2. 1 is already here. Then here out of 5, 1 has been kept here. How many options here? 4 here. 3.
Yes.
Out of 5 even digits, 1 has been kept here. So remaining 5, anyone can be kept here, anyone can be kept here. Now odd places, 5, 1 has been kept here. Here how many options?
4,
4, here
3.
3, here 5, here 2.
Yes, sir.
How much it is?
1440, sir.
1440 you are getting?
Yes, sir. Got.
N of E is 1440, correct. So probability will be 1440 divided by 9 into 10 to the power 5. Any doubt? Jasim?
Sir, you are muted, sir.
So PNC and probability both are same topic.
Mhm.
They are not different. A few things are
Yes.
different. We'll discuss it. So tomorrow we'll discuss question paper. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So shall I disconnect?
Yes, sir.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.